So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Devesh Rawat. So I have today, tell me your name.
My name is Raghav.
So I have Raghav here. I have, what's your name?
Shivan.
I have Shivansh here, and you tell me your name as well.
My name is Praval.
Praval. So guys, she's Chetna. She's very small. She cannot speak, so I'm speaking on her behalf. I have Maulik as well, but Maulik does not want to come on YouTube right now. तो गाइज अभी हम लोग क्या खेलने जा रहे हैं तो अभी हम लोगों का प्लान है कि चेतना मौलिक मी एंड एवरीबॉडी वी ऑल आर गोइंग टू प्ले फुटबॉल नाउ ओके एवरीबॉडी सो वी आर गोइंग टू डिवाइड 3 टीम्स सो मी चेतना एंड मौलिक बिकॉज वी हैव टू बी न्यूट्रल चेतना को तो ज़्यादा नहीं आता खेलना तो आप तीनों स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाओगे तो मी एंड मौलिक एंड चेतना ओके एंड यू 3 सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मेक गोल. So guys, there will be one goal here. I will show you. So let's make one goal with these 2 paper guns. Okay. So one goal will be here, guys, and one we will keep here. Okay. Small goals. All right. And then we are going to make 2 goals that side. All right. What do you want? What do you?
I have paper bullets.
You have paper bullets. More paper bullets.
Yes.
So can you bring those paper bullets? So guys.
Wait, can they really shoot it? Yes. Can they really? They can shoot. I mean,
But I don't think they can shoot, guys. It's just a paper gun, right, right, Maulik? I don't think it can shoot. तो guys यहाँ देख सकते हैं सब यहाँ पे प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं फुटबॉल की और चेतना को देखो अलग ही चेतना का गेम चल रहा है. सो चेतना कम ऑन कम हियर लेट्स प्ले विद एवरीबॉडी. तो गाइज हमें दूसरा गोल भी बनाना है तो उसके लिए कुछ ढूंढो हमें कुछ चाहिए उसको लगाने के लिए. तो लेट्स डू वन थिंग लेट्स पिक अप दीज 2 स्मॉल दिस थिंग सो दैट एटलीस्ट वी कैन गेट एन आइडिया. कम चेतना कम लेट्स मेक 2 goals here okay. So these are 2 goals. So guys listen, who is the goalkeeper in between your team? Tell me, all 3 of you decide who is the goalkeeper.
I will become
Guys, Chetna is listening to their discussion. Chetna, this is cheating, okay? Don't worry, this is cheating. You don't have to. You guys can speak in camera as well to each other, okay? Just speak to each other, I'll record. Don't worry.
But I think I will brilliant striker. But I am good. My shots are good, but sometimes they fail. Do you want to become goalkeeper?
Maulik, we can do this every day.
Fine, I'll be the goalkeeper. Leon Messi. Wait, first of all, you tell, do you want to become goalkeeper of our team? No. No one wants to become goalkeeper.
See, guys, you can do. No. You can do one thing.
Huh?
You can do one thing. You can do 1, 2, 3 at your backside, like on the backside you can do 1, 2, 3.
If none of us can be the goalkeeper, then let's make Maulik the goalkeeper.
Maulik is in my team. So me, Maulik and Chetna, we are like 3 teams and you guys are 3 teams, right?
Yes.
So let's do one thing. Let's start, guys. Put your hands in between. So guys, we are going to choose one. Or do you know how to play stone, paper, scissors?
Yes.
Chalo, let's play stone, paper, scissors. First, who wants to go first? 2 people. So you both want to go first. Shivansh will go second. All right, guys, let's do stone, paper, scissors. Whosoever wins, he will match with Shivansh. So let's start.
Stone, paper, scissors, shoot.
Wow. Okay, 1-0. Who wins? So you're winning, right? Now you're going to do with Shivansh. No. You'll be out. So the person who loses the match, he will do with Shivansh. Because he has already... So he lost it, right?
So
Yeah.
if he lost it, so he have to become goalkeeper.
Right. So whosoever is going to lose in between both of them, he'll be the goalkeeper for 1 goal. And then we will change. Chalo Shivansh, let's do it. Stone, paper, scissors. You have to do with him, okay? Stone, paper, scissors. Oh, one more. Stone, paper, scissors. Stone, paper, scissors. God, you will have to become the goalkeeper. So guys, Shivansh is winning the game. Your name was Raghav. So Raghav and Shivansh are going to be the strikers for the day, and from our team, Chetna and Maulik are going to be the strikers, and I will be the goalkeeper. Okay? Come, Chetna. Chetna, no, don't take the goal. No, you don't have to take this, Chetna. Come, Chetna, come. Let's play. Maulik, you'll be able to handle both of them, right? So Chetna, let's go. Let's start, guys. You want to start from your end? Come on, start. Come, Chetna. Come. Come, Chetna. Yeah. Chalo, start, guys. So Maulik, I'm defending, okay? अबे दूसरा गोल कहाँ गया यार? ये वाइट से वाइट वाला, वाइट से वाइट, ये ना बीच में जहाँ ये खड़े हैं, हाँ छोटा सा ही है, ज़्यादा नहीं है, ठीक है? So guys, listen, there is a rule. Nobody is going to shoot, okay? I mean, we are not going to kick hard, okay? Just pass each other and play, all right? Come, Chetna, come. The match has started. Chetna, come on. Match has started. Let's go. हमारा ये मैं यहाँ पे खड़ा हूँ, ठीक है? हाँ. मौलिक, let them play, okay? And let's just defend, क्योंकि उनको हम तो बड़े हैं दोनों. तो गाइस, हमारा स्ट्रैटेजी मौलिक और मेरा ये है कि हम लोग बच्चों को खेलने देंगे, हम बस डिफेंड करेंगे, और चेतना भी हमारी टीम में आप देख सकते हैं. सो चेतना इज ऑल्सो हियर. सो गाइस, लेट्स प्ले. कम ऑन, लेट्स स्टार्ट. कम ऑन, लेट्स स्टार्ट. No, it's okay. Let Chetna play. You guys can continue here. Let's go. Come on. Maulik, you have to defend, man. Don't let them goal. Chetna, come. Chetna. That's a goal. Wow, it's 1-0, guys. 1-0. So you guys can change the goalkeeper. Who will be the next goalkeeper? So after every goal you can change. Okay, so this way everybody is going to get the chance. Chalo, let's play. Come on, let's start. Come on, guys. Oh, oh, oh. Come on. Chetna, come on. You also hit the ball. Oh, that was a save. Wow, that was a save. Good, Maulik. So guys, I hope you guys have been enjoying our match a lot. अभी हम आपको पूरा मैच दिखाएंगे और आज ही रात को ये व्लॉग डलेगा. I hope you all are excited to watch this vlog today. All right, let's do it, guys. Let's do it. इसके बाद हम एक thumbnail भी click करेंगे. Let's do it. तो चलो, let's go. Guys, Chetna is striking right. That was a save. चलो Maulik, let's start. Maulik, come on. Chetna, come on. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Chetna. Yo. Chetna, come on. Go with everybody. You have to. Come on, guys. Don't miss it. Oh, that was a save. Wow. Guys, Maulik has taken over the game and that's a goal. God, very good, Maulik. So, guys, you guys are losing the match. Do something. It's 1-0. गाइस, आप देख सकते हैं मैच बड़ा ख़तरनाक चल रहा है यहाँ पे, और चेतना इज़ ऑल्सो गेटिंग सुपर एक्साइटेड नाउ टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज़ गोइंग ऑन. सो गाइस, कम ऑन गाइस, लेट्स गो. चेतना, गाइस देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे चेतना's बुआ हैज़ ऑल्सो अराइव्ड एंड चेतना इज़ प्लेइंग एंड चेतना's दादू हैज़ ऑल्सो कम इन द कार. तो गाइस, अभी हम लोगों की कोशिश ये है, हम लोग चेतना को थोड़ा सा एक्साइटेड करा के भेज रहे हैं, बिकॉज चेतना अब बच्चे और सब एक्साइटेड हो चुके हैं गोल करने के लिए, बिकॉज टीम, व्हाट इज़ योर टीम्स नेम? बीटा किंग.
Team A, Team B.
Let's you are team A and we are team B. Yes. So guys, team A now needs to work more harder because they have 1-0. They're losing with 2-0. So you need to work more hard, okay? Let's start the match now and let's see guys अब क्या होता है. चलो guys, let's go. Play with strategy. Pass each other. Come on Shivansh. Come on. You guys are 3 people and Maulik is just 1. Guys, चेतना तो जा चुकी है. guys देखिए, चेतना has gone. बाय चेतना, बाय बाय। गाइस मैच यहाँ पे बहुत इंटेंस हो रहा है एंड मौलिक इज हैंडलिंग ऑल 3 ऑफ देम ऑल अलोन। सो लेट्स सी। आज का ये जो व्लॉग है आप लोग ज़रूर देखिएगा इस व्लॉग को सारे, क्योंकि बिकॉज एवरीबडी इज़ एक्साइटेड। और अगर इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा व्यूज़ और लाइक्स आएंगे तो हम इस मैच को कंटिन्यू करेंगे एक और व्लॉग के साथ। सो एवरीबडी, डू यू टीम ए, oh shit, so team A, listen, if this vlog gets 100 likes and 1000 views, are we going to make another video? Let's do it guys, let's do it, we are going to do it, let's see। भाई ज़बरदस्त एक्साइटमेंट है बच्चों में, तो मज़ा आ रहा है। बड़े टाइम बाद सबके साथ यहाँ पे मिले हैं। So such a nice place, such a nice thing। तो let's play and let's make them enjoy। और व्लॉगों को अब एंड करते हैं। मुझे जिम भी जाना है, थोड़ा बहुत आपको जिम भी दिखाएंगे। बाय चेतना। गाइस एवरीबडी से बाय टू चेतना, शी इज सेइंग बाय टू एवरीबडी। बाय बाय चेतना, बाय बाय चेतना, बाय बाय। So guys, finally we all are done playing the football and everybody is a little bit tired here. Let's ask everybody, yeah, a little bit bored as well, but let's ask everybody how was match and how did they feel like? Was it exciting or how was it, and what's the next game they want to play? So let's take review from everybody. So guys, all 3 of you, Maulik is also there guys. So please tell me, how was today's game? Did you like it? What do you think? Next, what game should we be playing?
We should play basketball.
Basketball.
I think we should play rugby ball.
Rugby? Alright, and what do you say? What should we play?
We should play ice and water right now.
Ice and water right now. So guys, everybody has a different demand. What you can do is you can comment in the comment section what game do you want all of us to play, and whatever game comments will be the most comments, we are going to play that particular game. Okay everybody?
Yes.
So audience will decide which game they want us to play, and Chetna will also join, Maulik will also join, and all of us will join. So let's come up with the next vlog next time. Take care everybody. Jai Shri Ram। guys बच्चे नेक्स्ट लेवल भागते हैं भाई, हालत ख़राब हो गई यार इनके साथ। भागते हैं मतलब हालत तो क्या ख़राब हुई, पर क्रेजी कार्डियो हो गया यार। क्या क्या गेम खेलते हैं आजकल ये, बस दीज आर लाइक न्यू किड्स, यू नो, न्यू जनरेशन किड्स। इनके अलग गेम्स हैं। आइस एंड कोल्ड पता नहीं, आई डोंट नो व्हाट गेम ही टॉट मी, इट वाज सच अ ग्रेट गेम। दे वर रनिंग एंड डूइंग दोस कार्डियो एक्टिविटीज़। It's very nice. Kids should play every other day, you know, to stay healthy. So now let's go to the gym. और लेट भी हो गया मुझे, 1-1.5 घंटा थोड़ा जिम करते हैं और फिर आपसे मिलते हैं जैसा भी दिन जाए।